Hi guys, today is March 4th. Time is 12:23 p.m. in New York, and we are doing a technical analysis video first, and later I'm going to trade for today. Uh, ag- just a disclaimer: trading is risky. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take advice from. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. Whatever we do in this video is for the education purpose only. Please, before you take a trade, please make your own research. This is just my suggestions. This is what I'm doing. That's what it is. So please do your own research. Whatever I say in this video, you're probably going to make money. We don't guarantee that you're going to make money. So please do your own research before you take a trade. Let's go. Let's check the Dow Jones Transportation Average. Transportation is not going that down. It's alive basically. It's still the things are still moving, no doubt. So just to let you guys know, Dow Jones Transportation is down so far, but probably will might have a support on 13,200 right over here, no doubt. Okay, so probably might go down a little bit, but not that much. Let's check even S&P. So far, this just to let you guys know, this software has some issues. It's not a computer having an issue. It's the software is the one. It's not giving up like the right data, no doubt about it. I mean, like, it takes some time basically. This is a street march center from Charles Schwab. That's where I do my technical analysis. So, all right, guys, and this is the E-mini S&P futures. This is all futures. We put a box. I was trying to say like the price won't go anywhere, but the thing is like now the price has dropped after the Fed meeting, no doubt. So, but still, it might come down a little bit. But I'm not looking for a big down. Still not. I'm not convinced that to go with the downside, because probably it will go to flip around and will go to go up, no doubt about it. So still, investors are, I can say, like they're still buying it. Let's see the other chart. What is telling us? The next is the crude. Let's see if the crude shows. Probably crude is probably like a little bit more on the bearish side, no doubt about it. I know. So let's check what the crude is trying to tell us. It's kind of loading. Okay, so we put a box right over there. Remember this box, this gap I've been trying to explain you guys that gap needs to be filled. The gap did got filled, and it went up 2 days, and later on the price dropped. And other day also I said that that should be a support right over here. And this is what it makes. This is what exactly why it is tricky. Okay, so this is a perfect example. This is a perfect example what the market people are doing, what the market makers are doing too. So I said this was a support. Most people will go and put their order right inside this box, and the stop will be somewhere over here. And I'm pretty much sure they knew exactly where you're putting their stop. Most people, I'm pretty much sure, got worried, and they kicked their stop out. They got kicked out their stop. I'm pretty much sure this is how this market people plays this game. They know exactly how you guys trade and how to kick you guys out and go up. So the price came up. The price came up, dropped it, and right now the price is at $68.67. So this is a perfect example of what I mean by the market makers. They will go they will going to drop your price. They're going to drop the market price. Okay, this is for the crude oil. They did drop the price, and they put, even people who put like a 10 pips or 20 pips below the stop loss basically, and they kick them out, and they already moved the price up. That's what it is. That is what exactly it is. Okay, guys, can you please hold on? I'll be right back. Yes, what I mean exactly is like the price came down, got people out. Basically, they got their fill up the order for the downside, but put people who ever put the stops in, they've been kicked out. That's what it is, and they've moved the price up. This is a perfect example of the market makers. This is how they play the game. And like I said, let's check on this box. The price drop, no doubt. Basically, so if the price drop, I said that it will be bearish. Price move out, it will be bullish. So let's check the Russell has also dropped this the trend line. The trend has already been broken. The box I put it is already been broken as well. It went down. Probably might have some support area right over here, no doubt. Let's check the upcoming days what the Russell will going to do. If it goes down a little bit, this MACD will going to go like a downside, but it will going to go up, no doubt. But right now, I don't see the Russell. Russell is having some pain, no doubt about it. Let's check the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, the price is still looking good to me. That's the reason I was like not convinced that this market is ready to go down. You understand, guys? So that's the reason behind it. So this is one of our leaders, no doubt. This is one of our leaders. Price wants to go down, but not that much. Probably will going to correct it a little bit. You know, the technical indicators will going to come down, but if the price is not coming down, the technical indicators are coming down. The price is not coming down. We are on the bullish run, next run basically. Okay, that's what it is. So the price went down outside the box over here. So like I said, it might come down right over here, no doubt, a little bit down, but still we are in a bullish run. Okay, I don't see a big crack coming up right now. So let's check the price of the gold. Let's see what the gold has to say. Probably have some bullish things in the gold, no doubt. Probably, you know, I won't be surprised. Come on. Why the gold chart is not loading up? God, sometimes this software gives. Okay, there you go. Yes, like I said, I won't be surprised if the gold wants to go up, no doubt, because the market is going down. That means the gold will going to go up. Also, it's going to be on the opposite direction, no doubt about it. And I won't be surprised if the euro next chart on the euro is coming down a little bit, because if the market is going down, then the euro is like a opposite direction, also like the same way of the whatever our US market is doing basically. So let's check the euro chart, guys, because these are all correlated to our market. No matter what they do, they're always related to our market. So I'm still waiting to the loading up the chart. So this software gives sometimes a hard time, no doubt about it. So this is what I mean, when most people, they don't have like a up to date thing, they will gonna lose. So that's the reason I trade not on Charles Shop anymore. I trade only on Lightspeed, because I have like a first data. That's the reason. Data is everything. So it's not loading up. It's not loading up. Okay, let's check. Okay, it did load up. So the, like I said, if our US market is going down, euro will gonna follow too, because euro is part of it. And the dollar will gonna go up. So basically, when the euro goes down, dollar is going up, gold is going up, dollar is going down. That's what it is. It's on the opposite directions basically. Let's check one of my favorite, SPY. Sorry for loading up this things, like it is having some pressure too, because I have opened up so many charts as well. So that's the reason it has some pressure as well. So okay, it is kind of like moving, but what I mean, like, you know, like this is a live data, but it's not like accurate data. I can still say this is like a delay version of it. That's what I can still say. It's a delay version. It doesn't give you the like a right exchange data, what's the price right now, because there are so many exchanges. They can be like a different price too, because every price has every exchange has a different price. So basically, I was trying to see the other stocks. So from now, this is just a futures. From the other side, it's just the stocks. But this software is giving me a little bit of hard time. So there you go, guys. SPY has just downloaded the data, and it looks like over here can be a double bottom, but I'm not I'm not convinced yet, because this might go up or this might come down. So what I mean to say, uh, sometime it might gives us a very good to buy, but sometimes it's going to drop. So that's another thing also. So sometimes it might very give to buy and sometimes it's going to drop. Okay, I pressed too many times, I guess. So that's the reason this is what happened. The S&P chart just gone. Okay, all right, there you go. Okay, so yes, so this is like the almost like a double bottom. This can go up or this can go down, but still the price is dead and the market is down only 300 points. That means they did not fill up to, they did not move a lot of money. That's what I can say. They did not move a lot of money. I'm still like kind of bullish on the market. I'm not bearish on it. I won't lie to you guys. I'm not bearish on it. I'm looking for like a move up on the market. Let's check the Russell. Russell is also looking good to me. Wants to like almost like a double bottom for the Russell 2000. This can be holding a lot of support right over here. In the next week and all, and probably might move up or probably going to break that support and probably going to go down. Let's check QQQ. It's still looking good, guys. I'm not that's the reason I'm not convinced that this market is ready to go down. Not yet. Not yet, guys. Not yet. We still have long time to go. In the month of June, probably. QQQ is still looking good to me. Let's check Apple, guys. Apple is still looking good. Dropped, came up, guys. Watch. Let's check Meta. Meta is still bullish. Again, check Amazon. Amazon is still looking good, guys. All the stocks are still looking good. They're not been dropped so hard or something like that. So this is a very good, basically, no doubt, this is a very, very good to buy right over here. But this can be also a bear thing. So Nvidia, if I have the money, a lot of money, I will invest in Nvidia. Nvidia has shown like very good proven record for last 6 months, and the stock has already like made like double the money. That's what I can say. Nvidia. Let's check Google. Google is still looking good. There's no crack in the Google. Nothing. I cannot see anything like that. Let's check Visa. Visa. What happened to my MasterCard? MasterCard has moved out. Let's check the Tesla. Tesla, I have a target of 180, 190, and to 200, guys. So let's check the MasterCard just to keep in check. MA. MasterCard has dropped because of the Fed day probably, and there you go, came back up. So they fill up all the orders in the downside and came back up, guys. So MasterCard is still looking good to me. This is like a very, very bullish thing, hammer thing. That's what I call hammer. Hammer is a very, very bullish. That's what I can say, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in for this technical analysis video. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to check one more piece of our puzzle, which is a Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Hold on. I have to open up the Bitcoin into a different this, because I don't know, it's not opening up properly. So let's check the Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is a very big piece of our market today. So let's check the Bitcoin price, because Bitcoin, everybody trades Bitcoin. Okay, so check, guys. Bitcoin is still under bullish, so that's the reason. Another thing, I'm not bearish on our market. With the Bitcoin goes up, market goes up, market goes down, Bitcoin goes down. So this is almost a bullish flag to me. So that's the reason I have a Bitcoin target 35,000 right over here, no doubt. So this should take off, and when the Bitcoin take off also, the market is ready to go up, no doubt. So again, Bitcoin has so many ETF in our US market right now. So please, there's a bullish on the Bitcoin, but be careful also, like they can take out the money and they can dump this market also whenever they want to feel. Basically, if the investor take out the money, the market goes down. Okay, it's not like my money and your money. Okay, my money and your money is a peanut, not even a peanut. I can say less than a peanut. It's like a mustard seed. That's what I can say, like a small mustard seed. Okay, so uh exactly, so this is what exactly my conclusion was. The market did not go down that much, but still I'm looking for a bullish run. I'm not convinced to go this market will going to go to the downside. They're still going for a bullish run. Okay, so it might come down a little bit here and there, it might go in sideways direction, but I'm not convinced yet that the market wants to go down that much. Alright guys, thank you very much for tuning in for the technical analysis, and now I'm going to trade uh, with my daily forecast on how I do my trading. Basically, I'm going to record that one also, and let's stop this video and move along with the trading side, because I have to turn this thing off, guys, because otherwise the computer will not able to support all the softwares, basically. So that's why I'm turning this off, but that will be continuation of that trading thing. All right, thank you. I'm closing this window right now. Guys, welcome back. So today is March 14 again. The time is 12:41 p.m. in New York, and the S&P is down a little bit, but let's see what we can do for today. Again, trading is risky. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take your advice from. So please, I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. Please be careful. Whatever I do in this video is for the education purposely. My results are is a little bit typical. I make money because based on my experience, I know to spot buyers and sellers. So please be careful. You should always paper trade before you even trade with your real money. Okay, get some experience, guys. I've been trading since like 2007 now, so it's been a long time. So that's the reason I've seen a lot of markets, how the markets have reacted, how they have acted. So all those things, like I've seen big crashes, no doubt, and I have lost a lot of money too, to no doubt, back in time. But now is the time where I'm making like consistently money, no doubt about it. So this all because of like I took that effort to learn how to trade, how to manage the risk. All those things has been counted to my resume. That's what I can say, like no doubt. So I had a lot of failures too, but I never gave up. That's the thing. All right, guys, let's just trade. Let's look. Like the S&P is looking good to me so far. Let's just check where we can make some, maybe $500 to maybe $1,000, and let's just go on our way. Like S&P is still looking good. I'm buying S&P right now, guys. I'm buying S&P. I'm holding in my portfolio 50 call options. These are all zero DTE options. They're expiring in a day. So far it is trying to move down a little bit. You guys have already seen all the charts, no doubt about it, so I'm not showing you guys the charts again so far. And let me just zoom this in. It's kind of like coming down, but let's just not buy right now. Let's just wait. This is a 5-minute chart, guys, and this is a 1-minute chart. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's see how this is playing out. If this, okay, this is looking good to me right now. I'm buying more. I'm buying the dips, guys. Oh god, I just bought the dips and it came down more. Okay, no problem. It's still looking good. Yes, there's a support right over there, no doubt. There's a support right over there. So let's see if that support holds up. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna exit the position, no doubt about it. So far I'm losing $500 and $600, guys. So far I'm losing $600. I'm holding 95 call options on SPY, 95 call option and SPY. Okay, that support has just broke down. I want to sell half of it. I want to sell half of it at this moment in time. That support has just broke down, and I sold half of it, guys. And let's check. And the volume is red as well. Okay, want to add up a little bit. Have added up 73. I want to add up more. 80, 103. I want to add up more. 160, 168. Call options have been added. I'm going to add up more. 203. It's a strong buy. I can sell it right over here. Sold. I have made $1,477, guys. So yes, less than maybe 5 minutes I have been trading, and but I have hold up almost how many options I have traded. Let's just check. 510 options were traded, guys. Less than 5 minutes I was up $1,470. If I can even trade more, I can even make like $10,000 in like whole day. I'm pretty much sure I can do that, by waiting, watching, and getting in. That's what I can also do that, no doubt about it. Okay, but I don't want to do that because it's how you manage your risk. That's what it is. This is how you manage your risk, like trade less. If you make $1,000, which is very very good, multiply with that for like 20 days. We have 20 days in a month for trading, so that's what you've made, like $20,000 a month, which is very very good money. Most people won't make $20,000 a month, like even if you go to work, I'm pretty much sure, until unless you are an engineer or a doctor or something like that. But this profession can give you crazy amount of money if you know how to trade. That's what I can say. This profession took long time also for me to understand and how to make those moves, those things. Okay, it's not like it doesn't happen overnight. Nobody gets overnight, but there are people who can make overnight billions of dollars, but which is very likely, and which they are buying it like a penny stocks, pump and dump. That's what it is. They can become a billionaire overnight. Okay, but very likely it is not. You won't become. That's what I can say. The odds are not on your favor to become that billionaire, until unless you are bought like 100 or at least $100,000 of like a penny stocks, and that somebody whale came in and bought like a 10 to 15 billion dollars, and that stock will going to bump like that. And that's how you will going to become a billionaire, not because of your 100,000 you bought a penny stocks. You understand? So that's what it is. So most likely it won't going to happen, but most likely 80% chances I can say this can make you a millionaire, not a billionaire. This can make you a millionaire. Okay, and later on, now I'm trading only 300 options to like 500 options. Once your portfolio is big enough, you can buy, instead of like one click I'm buying like a 5, you can buy 10, you can buy 20. But the thing is, like, there's another thing also. So these are the options. Zero DTE are very, very popular and most people are trading it. You probably going to get that field, but once you buy 5,000, 10,000 options, think about it. This will be like this is going to jump. This S&P will going to jump too, because you're moving the market at that moment in time. You're moving the market. But what I'm trying to say, like zero DTA, there will be a lot of people who are buying it today. They are very, very popular options, zero DTA. So a lot of people are trading about it. So if you buying 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, like maybe 10,000 to like 100,000 of like S&P options, this S&P will going to move up, no doubt, and you will going to make like $50,000, no doubt about it. Also, 50,000 to $100,000 in a day. Think about it. Think about what I'm trying to say. When you get that experience and you have a big portfolio, when you buying it, like, instead of buying five, you buying 5,000 options every click, and you bought like a 200,000, almost like a 500,000 options in SPY for like 50 cents, and you sell it for like a 70 to 80 cents. Think about, you are making money. You will be making every day $100,000 every day. I'm not joking about this. This can be happen, and I'm going to show you once my portfolio become big. I will going to prove it to you guys once my portfolio become big. Okay, that needs a little bit of experience, no doubt about it. Okay, it won't happen overnight, but that we'll learn a lot of things also, because we need to see how many buyers are there also. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it exactly, how many buyers, how many sellers. A lot of things goes into action over there. I was just trying to see the Tesla, guys. So Teslas are like moving very, very fast, because I can see right over here. So I said, let me just open up Tesla. Exactly. So no doubt about it. Check the orders. 3,200. When it's gone from this platform, that means they got filled up. 8,000, 4,000, 3,200 came up again. So this is what exactly I mean. This is the real-time data. The Charles Schwab you guys saw, it was like hanging on and it was like moving very, very slowly. But check the data over here, how it has been moving. How my data over here on the light speed is moving. This is the difference between Charles Schwab. Like I said, Charles Schwab is a Toyota. Light speed is a Bugatti. That's what it is. Like it can make 220. That's what it is. This top speed on this platform, 220. Everything gets filled very, very fast, no doubt. You understand? So that's the reason I like this platform, not because of anything else. Lightspeed is a very good broker, very, very good broker, no doubt about it. And Lightspeed will going to make you will going to fill up those very good execution, no doubt about it. Also, ask price, bid price, and there's no big spread also in the Lightspeed. If there's a spread like it's 1 or 2 cents, which is still good, but only the thing like which you have to take care of at the end of the month is like $150, and they will going to give you a very good commission rate as well. They have a very better commissions also, guys. So I highly recommend you guys to go for Lightspeed, no doubt about it. I highly recommend you guys to get the professional broker. And level 2, this is all level 2, guys. Okay, just to let you guys know, this is all level 2. Whatever I do in this video, it's all level 2. It's not level 1. Okay. All right, guys, thank you very much. We have already made like $1,400 in today, basically, and it already made my mark. So I'm ready to head back on my day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for trading. So all right, guys, thank you very much. Please hit the subscribe button and a like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to other viewers, basically. Thank you very much for your support. All right, guys, always stay peace and always stay blessed. Peace is more important. Blessing will going to follow. All right, guys, bye.